getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I color my hair. I have switched up my color. I had blue for almost a year. It was blue, teal, aquamarine from Arctic Fox, and recently I switched it to pink, and I really have been loving the pink color. I figured I would show you guys trying out this new color. I got Virgin Pink from Arctic Fox. When I originally colored my hair pink, I used Electric Paradise, and that one faded so much, so quickly. It faded so quickly on me, and I was hoping that if I got kind of a deeper pink, obviously this one isn't as neon as the Electric Paradise one. That one was gorgeous. I loved it so much. So if you want to see a quick tutorial on how I color my hair, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I color my hair at home. You can see my hair is pretty faded from the last time I did it. The last time I colored my hair, I used Arctic Fox Electric Paradise and Sunset Orange. So this time I got the Arctic Fox Virgin Pink to test out this time, and then I still have Sunset Orange. So my hair is going to be so frizzy because I had it in braids yesterday. But I just have a mixing bowl and a brush, and then I have gloves. Those two hair colors, and a big bottle of cheap conditioner. This is just the Suave Smoothing Conditioner. First thing I'm going to do is just add a bunch of conditioner because I don't want my hair too dark. Okay, so first I'm going to add quite a bit of pink into it. I put in at first. You can always add more color in if you want. Last time I added too much orange in, so I do not want to do that this time. Okay, so I'm going to do about that much. I did about a fourth of the amount of orange to pink. So then I'm just going to mix those and see how that looks in the bowl. This pink is a lot deeper than the Electric Paradise. That's why I used so much conditioner this time. Like all mixed. It's actually really pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take out my hair. It's going to look like a crazy mess. See, so this is how much it's faded. I actually really like this color. It's kind of a rose gold. I have a towel in my chair so that I don't stain my white chair. So then I just start by taking little pieces. That's the nice thing about this. Once you already have your hair ombre, then it's really easy to just put the semi-permanent hair dye over it. You don't have to be like super precise with it. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the first one. That's actually really cute. So that's what the color looks like. So now I'm just going to do that to the rest of my hair. All my hair coated really generously. Okay, I already love the way this color looks on my hair so far. Look how pretty that is. This is what my hair is looking like. When I'm doing these fashion colors, I really don't go stingy on the dye. like coat it really generously, and then I go ahead and take whatever is left in the bowl. I also really try to make sure to mix enough so that I don't run out and have to remix, just because unless you're using like measuring cups and stuff, it's hard to remix it the same. And then I take all that extra and I just go through and just lather my hair in that. Just really soak my hair and make sure that every spot has a good amount of color on it. I just make sure that every single piece of hair is soaked in dye. Really easy. I just thought I would show you guys how I mixed this color, and we'll see how it turns out. On the directions it says to leave in for 30 minutes or longer, so I pretty much just leave it in. I try to go for an hour, maybe sometimes I leave it in for 2 hours, especially where I mixed it with mostly conditioner. I like to leave it in as long as I can. So I will show you guys after I'm done washing and styling it. Okay guys, so I rinsed out my hair and styled it, put on some makeup. This is what the hair color looks like. So this is the finished product. I actually seriously love how it turned out. I knew right when I put the color on that first piece, I really loved the way that the pink looked. I really like this pink. I'm hoping that this pink fades a lot slower than my other pink that I had in my hair. That one faded so fast, or I would have kept that color. I would have kept that color for a really long time. It was so pretty, but I went through that bottle so fast. That bottle of Electric Paradise, I went through it so fast, and with this hair color I mixed so much conditioner in with it and diluted it so much with conditioner to get a softer pink. I'm kind of curious as to what it looks like just using straight color on your hair, like how deep it would turn out, because this is still a really deep pink, but I love it. I'm like, I really like it. Of course, after I colored my hair, I needed to put on my makeup and see what the finished product looked like, but I really like how it turned out. I thought I would just show you guys me using those two colors mixed together. I think next time I might add a little more orange into the mixture, but I really do love how this color turned out. I think it looks really cute and really vibrant. We will see how it fades. You guys will also see in upcoming videos how it fades. I think I'll try to keep better track of how many washes it goes through before it fades really bad, just so I can see how long it lasts compared to the blue. Blue dye sticks so much. Blue and green stick in your hair so much better. They're really hard to get rid of. They're really hard to get out of your hair, but they also stay really good. So I'm curious to see how this one fades as well. I'm hoping that it fades, since it is deeper and a really, I don't know, since it's just such a deeper pink, I'm hoping that it fades a lot less. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you like hair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.